Unveiling the Flavorful Secret, Beef Stock. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to dive into the savory world of cooking and English vocabulary. Specifically, we're going to explore what beef stock is, its uses in the kitchen, and why it's a term worth knowing both for cooking enthusiasts and English language learners. So, let's get started. Beef stock is a liquid that is used as a foundation for many dishes in various cuisines around the world. It's made by simmering bones, meat trimmings, vegetables, and herbs in water for several hours. This process extracts flavors and nutrients, resulting in a rich, aromatic liquid that enhances the taste of soups, sauces, and stews. In this section, we'll discuss how beef stock is not just a liquid but a vital ingredient that can elevate a dish from good to great. It adds depth of flavor and richness that water or other liquids simply cannot match. We'll explore how it's used in various recipes and the difference it makes in the outcome of a dish. Making beef stock at home might sound daunting, but it's quite straightforward. We'll go over the basic ingredients and steps needed to prepare this flavorful liquid. From choosing the right bones to the final simmer, you'll learn how to create a homemade stock that could rival any professional kitchen. Many people confuse beef stock with beef broth. Although similar, they are not the same. Beef broth is typically made with more meat, and sometimes the cooking time is shorter than that for stock. We'll clarify the differences and discuss when to use each one in your cooking. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what beef stock is and how it can be a game changer in your culinary adventures. Remember, a good stock can transform a meal, and knowing these terms enhances your English vocabulary as well as your cooking skills. Happy cooking and learning, everyone!